Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 38 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Dear friends, today I welcome you all on this special occasion. Ever since this government took over the charge, the idea of starting this trust had been engaging its attention as well as the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. At least we are successful now in translating this idea into a concrete action. The trust is now being inaugurated today for the benefit of unfortunate people. I would like to say that though the proposal for this trust was put forward some time ago to look after the welfare needs of the handicapped persons, there was no concrete action to put this proposal into action. However, today I am very happy to have the privilege to inaugurate this trust Parachange. When I see in front of me large number of handicapped young boys and girls, men and women, my heart is filled with deep sorrow. God has been kind enough to give good health to almost all human beings, but it is unfortunate that some are handicapped by birth. Though there is considerable increase in the medical facilities, we are not able to fight the evil disease. We are putting all efforts to fight them out. For this purpose, we have started hospitals and dispensaries with expert doctors in various parts of the country. On this occasion, I would like to stress one important aspect, that while the government shall provide all possible facilities to ensure that these people can live a happy life, we must always treat them with love and affection. At the same time, it is the duty of the society to create a sense of social security in their minds. I would appeal to all those who are present here today that you must always try to help the handicapped persons. Para change. Further, I would like to emphasize that the trust established with such objectives like this should function with fullest sincerity of service. I am sure that this trust shall function sincerely and effectively in extending all kinds of help to them, physical, mental, and financial support to ensure that these people feel full social security and can live a happy life. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.